So, hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2, question number 2, part B. Prepare the journal entries for three of the items that were shown in the part A of the question. Okay, the first one was on 12th March 2022, a property that had been bought 2 years ago for 64 million was revalued to its market value. The new value was 15% increase on the purchase price. Now, so this is the transaction they are talking about, and we have to make a journal entry. Okay, so once so it will be on 12th March, here date you will write 12th March 2022. Okay, 12th March 2022. So your property, so it is happening between two accounts. One is a property and it is an increase in the value, so we had created a revaluation reserve. So you will so the two accounts that's going to be affected are, okay, one is the property account and the other one is the revaluation reserve. Okay, so these two are going to get affected. So how are they going to affect it? So I'm going to debit, okay, debit increase 9.6 value in the property, and revaluation will indicate the debit of, okay, will indicate a credit of 9.6. okay, so this is the journal entry for